Hi everybody, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my backyard, which means it's time for vegan cuts. And it is a scorcher here today. It's like 80 degrees here at the beach in Pismo, and it's November, so it's crazy. So as usual, I have no idea what's inside the box, so let's open it up without cutting myself. Would be great. This is our again, our guide as to what's in the box, and it gives you all the information as far as websites, where you can find these products. Okay, so the first one is bean crisp, salt of the earth, thin and crispy popped bean crisp, our little rebellion. 100 calories for this bag, 4 grams of protein, and they are gluten-free and vegan, of course. Yay. Alright, I'm gonna put my sunglasses on because it is way too bright. Much better. Alright, so excuse the glasses. Next we have Gary Poppins whole grain and small batch popcorn. This is the Kettle Corn. This is gluten-free. Perfect. It's made with popcorn, sugar, coconut oil, sea salt. So pretty simple ingredients. Oh, we've got another chip here from Little Rebellion, the Popcorners. Gluten-free and vegan. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dark chocolate, full-size bar here. Oh my god. Venini is the brand. This is with rosemary. GMO-free, fair trade, all that good stuff. We've got some tea here. This is mango flavor by Miracle Tree. Awesome. Softer than brittle. Peanut, the better choice. No dairy, no gluten, cholesterol, preservatives, or hydrogenated oil. And it's vegan. Looks good. Yeah, haven't never seen that brand. And this is a protein shake. Let's see. It's got 7 grams of fiber, it's vegan, 21 grams of protein. I'm sure you guys have seen this brand. It's good. Alright. Ooh, I like it. An egg substitute, the Neat Egg. Vegan, soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, guilt-free. Oh, this package is equivalent to 18 eggs. I'll definitely do a cooking video with this stuff. This looks great. So, gonna give that a try. And, woohoo! Little snack pack of mini chocolate chips. Love it by Enjoy Life. One of my favorite brands. Use those all the time. And here is a little super fiber bar, raspberry and red beet flavor by Viva. Okay, so I've got some coupons for the Orgain, the protein powder. I've got a $1 coupon and a $5 coupon. And then I've got a coupon for Light Life. Up to a $5.99 value. That's good. Excellente. Oh, and $1 off my Enjoy Life. Love them. They always give coupons. They're amazing. Try their stuff. Alright, what have we got here? Home free chocolate mint mini cookies. Egg and dairy free, gluten free, nut free, peanut free, whole grain, nothing artificial, no soy, so very refreshing. Those look scrumptious. And what have we here? Nacho, no cheese, cheese dip. Gluten-free, soy, dairy, and GMO. It's an almond spread. Yes, that looks amazing. Let's see here. Water, almond flour, fresh red bell pepper, nutritional yeast. Some really good ingredients here. Yep. So, nacho, no cheese. I love that. Love that name. So that is the end of our box. Everything looks good. And check out vegancuts.com and you can get your own box. And they come once a month and it's a surprise, and they're always really great products. And most of the time they're gluten-free. You might have one item that's not, but for the most part they're all gluten-free and vegan and really good. So, and full sizes too. So give those a try, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Until next time, thank you.